Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to create forms in Airtable. Let's dive right in. First, open your Airtable base and navigate to the table where you want to collect data. Look for the Views sidebar on the left-hand side. Click the Create a New View button, which often looks like a plus sign. From the options, select Form to begin building your new data collection tool. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now that you've created a new form view, it's time to build it out. On the left, you'll see a list of all the fields from your chosen table. Simply drag and drop the fields you want to include onto your form canvas. You can easily rearrange their order by clicking and dragging. Add helpful instructional text or section headers to guide your users. This ensures a smooth and intuitive experience for anyone filling out your form. With your fields in place, let's customize the form's behavior and appearance. On the right-hand side, you'll find various settings. You can add a compelling cover image and your company logo to brand the form. Decide what happens after submission, perhaps redirecting users to a thank you page. You can also enable email notifications so you're instantly alerted when someone completes your form. These options give you great control. Finally, it's time to share your completed form with the world. Airtable provides a unique shareable link that you can distribute to anyone. You also have the option to embed the form directly onto your website or blog. Once submissions start rolling in, all the collected data will automatically populate your Airtable base, keeping your records organized and up to date. It's an incredibly efficient way to gather information.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.